Here I have VIVO V21e, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So to do this, firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap start. Then you should select preferred location. Could be Germany, maybe France, Austria, okay. Then you have to agree with end user license agreement and privacy terms, and also e-warranty card privacy terms. Tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up your device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then I suggest you to disable these Google services, tap accept. Then you can set unlock method, but you can also do this in settings and just skip this step for now, or just don't do this at all. Then you can enable automatic system updates, or you can just install updates manually. Then you have this TVS quick pairing feature, maybe okay. Then you have to select system navigation mode. I suggest you to use gestures instead of these 3 buttons. If you don't know how to use them, you can learn it by tapping here. If you know, tap next, and your device is ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.